Join me in Barcelona and let's take a Christmas market tour in La Sagrada Familia. There's lots of beautiful Christmas stalls already set up. As we turn the corner there, you'll see, and the backdrop is beautiful, as we'll see as we reach closer as well. So first stall, candy and some sort of twig. I guess that's something to eat. If anyone knows what that is, let me know. The pigeon are giving a little bit of trouble. Oh, churros. Let me fill the churros. On this side, as you pan, you see there are little wooden made stuff. Pots, not pots, cotton boards, spoons, etc. Let's go in some more. Hi, hola. Beautiful baby clothes here and jewelry. Some interesting art. And let's get to the interesting things real soon. So there's wallets being sold here. Baby dolls. There's a tour going on here.
Phones always work. Some cards for some reason don't. But most cards do.
There's some interesting keychains here of characters you may know. I see Minions, Snow White, Hulk, Simpsons. Let's go again. Wines here, nice cozy little nook. Some skincare products here. Let's take a look at here. Wow, it's beautiful, isn't it? Interesting wooden things made here. Games, made some nice Christmas gifts. Chinese checkers, dominoes, some puzzles. Some jewelry here. Some art. Pigeon. Oh, some handmade bands with leather, different materials. Some cozy hats, mittens, socks, earmuffs. Let's go again and see what else it has. Beautiful things. Hola. Some beautiful wooden things here. Hola. Some beautiful bulbs. Little train. So some of these in the Madrid market as well. Oh, some nice ornaments here. Each of these things are telling a whole story in itself. These things would make nice stuff for aquariums. Hola. Gracias. Adiós. Hola. Adios. Made some really cool stuff with these logs. Wonder if it's a special type of tree, or if it's related to those twigs, branches that we saw in the first stall. Just keep coming back to this, it's so beautiful. Let's continue on. Real Christmas trees planted in the soil. And we have points here, right here. Hola. All of these are real, I think.
Según las zonas como Andalucía y demás, el combinado luego que viene por un lado. Por aquí las zonas han dicho que
Check these little cuties. Wish I could have brought one of these back home. Hola. They could have it in stuffed toy.
Hola.
Hola.
Santa Claus catalán.
Oh.
Los niños le dan con un palo y caga caramelos y juguetes. Tradición de Cataluña. Día 25, o sea, todo el mes le dan de comer mondas de mandarina y él se las come. Y el día 25 dicen, caga tío, caga y caga regalos. Tradición
Muy bonita.
Santa Claus catalán.
Cataluña tradición. Gracias. So you got a little history of it there. If any of you all understand that, let me know in the comments below. Really need to improve on my languages. Have to play some Duolingo serious. Wow. Acorns. Beautiful colors. Churros, hot chocolate. Let's go again. Christmas trees. Some other things on this corner, but soon we'll be approaching a side where there are some more unique items. Another sweet shop. Make this stick again. Oh wow, look at the view from here. Crepes. Now we're setting up cured meats. Cheese, all different kind of cheese. Honey, no jam, lemonade. A park for doggies. Look at these. It's a beautiful Christmas market tour. Barcelona, Spain has some beautiful things. Christmas in Europe is really something special.
Is that here?
And this keeps us new.
Christmas balls. Hola. Hola. So guys, check out this piece of history. So a lot of these things, you're seeing them pulling. So you wonder like, why is that, right? It's not just one, it's many. But it's a tradition here. Let me show you all. Where is the English? It's a symbol of good luck, joy, and good fortune in the home. It is said that through his defecation, the land is fertile for the following year. All our figures are handmade. It has become an honor for many well-known personalities to have their own figurine in their image. Gracias. Hola. Hola. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour. It's really beautiful being here, feeling the coolness on your skin, as well as seeing the backdrop of La Sagrada Familia. It's really a sight to be if anyone is in Barcelona. It would be nice to check out this around the Christmas time. Bye.